Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make X account private on Android. So to do that, let me show you the steps you can follow. So if you are an iOS user, select profile icon and then go to settings and privacy. Once you are there, head over to privacy and safety and then go to audience and tagging. And finally, protect your posts. And if you are an Android user, just go to the profile icon, then head over to settings and support. Then similarly, go to settings and privacy. From there, privacy and safety, an extra step there, and audience and tagging, and then go to protect your posts. And if you are using your X app on your browser, then go to more and then go to settings and privacy. From there, privacy and safety. And in there, you will find audience, media, and tagging, and then just protect your posts. So yeah, this is how you can just make your X account private on Android. Hope this video will help you out. If you found any sort of problem, just comment down below and we will try to solve it up. We'll see you in the next video.